Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. Like the title says, we are going to discuss and show the Mercedes Service A5 on the CLS Shooting Brake here. There are so many secrets on the Mercedes maintenance. They work with codes, and if you're not an insider, you don't really know what it all means. So there's the Service A5. I found out that this means that there are 5 points that should be taken care of in this service. 1. An oil change. 2. A replacement of the oil filter. I wanted to do this myself, but as it happens, when you look up on the internet, there are at least 5 different oil filters for this motor. They all differ with some millimeters, and there's no way you could tell which one is the right one for your filter case. So I left it for my friend the mechanic. 3. The air filter has to be replaced as well. 4. A new diesel filter with the housing has to be replaced, and that's rather an expensive one. And then 5. The brake fluid has to be replaced and bled. So without further ado, let's start with the maintenance, and I hope you will like this one. Here are the numbers and specifications of the only oil filter that is the right one. And here is the bolt that needs to be removed to drain the oil from the pan, and the washer needs to be replaced. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Here we are unscrewing a lot of screws for the cover of the air filter. There are so many screws all around because it has to fit perfectly. Otherwise, the mass airflow sensor would give an error and the motor would fail. We had to blow out the container where the filter sat because of the residue that was still there. A little bit of lubrication and the new filter went in very smooth. there was a problem with the fitment. We had to double check it, but everything was okay. Here we have the diesel filter. It has to be replaced as it is. It is the most expensive part of this service. That is because it is a very special piece of technique that includes a water separator, as I have been told. The clips were hard to reach with a pair of pliers, so we had to turn the hose a bit. And here is the new one. While placing the hoses back on, we saw that one hose was a little bit damaged, so we had to cut off a little piece to prevent it from leaking. And finally it's time to change the brake fluid. First of all, suck it out of the container. Then fill it again with a special tool that keeps the pressure on while you can bleed the brakes, so it can keep filling it to the right amount. Here we are bleeding the brakes finally. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up, hit the bell icon, so you always get a notification for the new video and you won't miss out on anything. See us on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook as well. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.